Alright, working on the front unit, it's pretty much the same as the rear. You got two internal suction plates I just got to line up. Pretty much got them tack welded right now. One thing to note is this one's a little bit off. Looks like about almost 1/8 of an inch. So that's kind of an issue there, but I mean, I'll work with it. This one lines up pretty much perfectly. The geometry is there. So with the front section, like I said, you have your main plate here, and then your two internal plates, which you just gotta line up. That's pretty simple. And yeah, this will actually be the fully welded section here. This section you won't have to fully weld because this is just the housing for the control surfaces for the steering, so you don't have to worry about that in terms of fully welding this off. Only thing you have to worry about is this one right here, because this is another fuel tank. So yeah, let's go. Internal section's pretty much tack welded, and don't forget to put your weld nuts there for your tank sender. What I had to do is I had to take a ratchet strap to pull these together so that they're 47 3/4 from outside to outside. Pretty simple deal. And then what I'll do is I'll put in the belly plate there, or I should say the glasses plate. That'll go right here. And then that'll kind of complete our section for this area right here at least. So the front glasses panel kind of tacked up here. Once again, I'll probably increase the wedge height on this thing. Right now it's only 1/8 of an inch, but just to make it easier for welding, I think I'll probably increase that to like 3/16 or 1/4 or something. Bottom's been tacked too. Kind of got it lined up as best as I could. Like I said, we're not building Swiss watches here. Tacked on this side, and then I tacked it in the corner underneath here. Tried to mitigate as many air gaps as possible, but yep. And of course, this will be reinforced after the fact because this is what's going to be taking the pounding of trees and stuff. So let's continue on and put the actual front, I guess you'd call it the door panel in. Alright, I think I got the front panel where I want it. So essentially what I did is I got some clamps here on the front, kind of holding it down, and I got some boards kind of pushing it that way. Because essentially what's happening, so I made it so that this guy stops right on there, on that corner there. So what I'll end up doing now is I'm going to fully weld the gas tank. So what I got is a piece of channel that kind of forms over this section right here. So in order to, I got to pretty much weld that off before I can put that channel on, so it's nice and fuel tight. I get my channel in here. Essentially, one thing I need to change is I got to add bevels on here because when I did a full weld in my fuel tank here, I didn't have a chamfer, so I got to get some clearance there. But other than that, I got pretty much everything lined up where I needed to go, and I'll tack it up.